Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find this new secret dress on Dress to Impress. So they just put this out before the winter update, and here's where you can find it. You are going to go to the Haunting Beauty set, and then you'll see that there's a pot here. If you look under it, you are able to put on this dress, and that's where it is. As you can see, the Wicked update is also gone, but you are still able to find your outfits obviously here in chests, which is here. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!